Hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make use of NAV coin on SatoWallet app. Well, first we're going to have to visit the SatoWallet website. That's SatoWallet.com right here. And there are three versions of the app. That is one on Play Store, one on App Store, and that is the PC version. And we're going to use the PC version right now because they kind of have the same interface, and I've already installed the PC version on my PC and I've already signed in. So here's the PC version. All you need to do to sign in is get an email address, set up a password, and then you're good to go. And this Google Auth right here is another layer of security to make sure your funds are very secure. And actually your funds are on cold storage. Well, here's the amount I have right now in my wallet, and these are the coins available on the app. So right now we're going to use NAV coin. Well, here is NAV coin. And there is there are two ways to actually find a coin. Three ways I think. Yeah, you can use this one, this side, scroll, or scroll this here to find the coin, or the easiest way is type in the name of the coin, like for example NAV coin. Then it's gonna show up here, and then click on NAV coin. Well, this is my NAV coin balance, and this is the equivalent of this NAV coin balance in US dollars. Well, if you want to send a coin to a friend, then you just go to send and type in their address. This is just an example, it's not really an address. Then type in the amount, say 46, and this 46 NAV coin is equivalent to 15.1 USD. And if you want to reduce the amount, you can click here, and if you want to add, you can click here. But here's the fee deducted, and it also shows in USD. And you can add a transactions comment, hey, for example, and then click on transfer, and your transfer will begin. Well, here's the receiving part. Well, the person you're receiving the coin from will actually have to scan this barcode here to send you the coin, or make use of this my address. And okay, this is pretty much about sending and receiving. Let's jump to swap coins. Well, swap coins go to exchange from currency to currency amount to swap. But from currency, this is the currency you are swapping from. Right now we're using NAV coin, so we're gonna choose NAV coin here. Okay, NAV coin. Okay, then to currency, the currency we are swapping to. Okay, you can choose any other coin. This is an example to show you how it works. And okay, amount to swap. Okay, let's say 43. Okay, amount exceeds the balance. This amount exceeds my NAV coin balance, so it won't swap. And this swap coin button is not gonna be enabled until the amount doesn't exceed my balance. Okay, let me show you how to do that. Oh, you can add or decrease. Okay, it's fast. Okay, right now the text has disappeared and this shows up. Okay, 5 NAV is equivalent to 1.6 USD, and is also equivalent to 1.9 BTX. Okay, and okay, let's see exchange. Okay, this is the market, and these are the coins available. These are the coins you can exchange with. Okay, NAV is NAV. Okay, BTC to NAV. Okay, these are the list of trade between BTC to NAV and SatoWallet, and this is just for today because this list refreshes every 24 hours. So you can see. Well, let's try to buy and sell, show you how it works. And this is the buying part, and this is the selling part. So if you want to buy, you type in the amount, NAV, and here's the dollar too, and price. Okay, amount. You want to sell, price. Okay, if you want to buy, click buy. If you want to sell, you click sell. But clicking on either one of these buttons is going to make you an order. Then if you want to see your order, you just click my orders, and your orders is going to show up right here, and So if you don't want to go on with your order, you can just click cancel. There'll be a cancel button right here, and the order will be deleted. And if you want to make another order, you just click trade and go back to trade, make another order. It will show up right here again. So this is the history between UQ3 to NAV coin. Okay, yeah, these are the types, prices, and amount. Okay, amounts are the types are the buys and sells. Prices, you can see these are the figures, and the amount, you can see the figures as well. Okay, let's jump to currency. Okay, I'm going to show you how to change fiat currency from one currency to another currency. Right now I'm using USD, so, and these are the currencies, and it's a long list of currencies, so you can choose anyone to swap to change to try and see how it works. Okay, let's use this pen. Okay, it's gonna take some seconds to change. Good, currency has been changed. Okay, let's go back to my coin to see what happens. Okay, before here it was showing USD, and now it's showing pen because I changed my fiat currency from USD to pen. Okay guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.